Air fryers have become a popular kitchen appliance in recent years, and it's no wonder why. They're versatile, easy to use, and can help you make healthier versions of your favorite fried foods. If you're thinking about getting an air fryer, or if you're just curious about what they're all about, read on for everything you need to know. In today's video, I'll talk about the 5 best air fryers on the market available right now. I have added all the links in the description box below. Check them out and please consider to subscribe our channel. So without further ado, let's get started. In our air fryer test, the 5.5-quart Ninja Air Fryer Max XL delivered the best results. It received the greatest ratings for usability across the board due to its intuitive, easy-to-read buttons and comprehensible, helpful owner's manual. The air fryer basket was simple to insert and remove during our tests, which made handling a breeze. The basket's removable tray and sleek, ceramic interior, which renders it non-stick, are features we like. Additionally, you won't have to worry about the tray slipping out when you turn the food out onto a plate because it fits firmly and securely to the bottom of the basket. Even if you decide to hand wash it, the basket and tray are both dishwasher safe and simple to clean. The Ninja Air Fryer Max XL received the highest performance rating in addition to being simple to operate. It generated chicken wings that were moist inside, homemade fries that were crispy and evenly cooked, and frozen fries. For even speedier and juicier results as well as a rapid way to make melty cheese, the model we tested has a broiling rack. It also has a number of cook options, including Max Crisp, Air Broil, and Dehydrate, each of which is programmed with a distinct maximum and minimum temperature. The timer, which counts down to the second, is another distinctive element. Consider the Ninja Foodie 6-in-1 2-basket air fryer for a greater capacity. With even greater adaptability, it performs on par with the Air Fryer Max XL since each individual basket is smaller and takes up less space in the dishwasher. We use it the most for one-person meals. The COSORI Air Fryer L501 is a good option to think about if you want an air fryer that is both attractive and cost-effective. The LED and touch control panel of this kitchen appliance is situated on the glossy top, giving it a more streamlined appearance than any of the other air fryers we've examined in the past. During testing, we discovered that the air fryer produced exquisite, juicy chicken wings and crisp, crunchy fries with soft, fluffy potato inside. However, it had trouble properly browning items, so we had to adjust the cooking durations, and it also had trouble heating frozen foods. It contains 7 settings for foods including cake, bacon, and seafood. Additionally, it has a shake reminder that you can flip the food to get an even crisp halfway through cooking by activating the reminder while setting the cooking time. Since we began testing them, Instant, the company that makes multi-cookers under the Instant Pot name, has produced air fryers. All of the ones we examined, including this one, are quick and simple to program. This one sticks out because it has a see-through window that enables you to peek inside without opening the basket. A light that may be manually switched on is also included, and it automatically comes on just before the timer goes off. Chicken wings cooked in this 6-quart clear cook model were crispy, golden, and juicy in 20 minutes, and frozen fries were evenly cooked without wobbling. The air fryer preheats in 3.5 minutes to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and chirps when ready to cook. You don't have to hit start again after preheating if you want to put food in and leave. Halfway through cooking, it alerts you to shake or turn the meal. The responsive digital control panel and knob make it easy to set temperature and time. It features 6 cooking modes: air fry, bake, roast, reheat, broil, and dehydrate. Square basket improves cooking space, is easy to pull out and maneuver, and fits in the dishwasher. It has a removable tray instead of a drawer-mounted basket, which is easier to clean. If you want to try air frying but don't believe you'll do it often enough to justify spending more, get the CHEFMAN 3.7-quart Turbo Fry Air Fryer. The basket's dome shape saves counter space, but it fits enough food for several people. The black finish is elegant, and the matte model resists fingerprints. This air fryer is available in digital and analog versions. Both at home and in the lab, we put the digital version through its paces, and every tester said the touch controls were easy to use. There is sufficient cooking range for the majority of air-fried recipes when the temperature and timer are set to 200,400 degrees Fahrenheit and 60 minutes, respectively. This yielded delicious French fries and crispy chicken tenders, according to our lab tests. The flavor and texture surpass some more expensive models. Cleaning is simpler than other tasks. The basket and a few other components can be cleaned in the dishwasher, but the metal racks must be delicately hand-washed. The drawbacks are there while seeking for a machine that is adaptable. It couldn't roast a bird or bake cornbread, for that matter. You might prefer a device with a longer duration setting if you're interested in utilizing an air fryer to dehydrate snacks. The Little Dash air fryer can be the best option for you if you have limited storage space or are purchasing an air fryer for a small kitchen. Although it has some of the same functions as larger models, it has the smallest capacity of any air fryer at 2 quarts. This features a non-stick basket, auto shutoff, and an analog temperature control. Everyone was quite pleased with the outcomes when we tested this in our lab. The interior of the French fries was steamy, squishy, mashed like potato, while the exterior was exceptionally crispy. This was in contrast to the papery skin discovered on other tested models. Even though there was only room for 2 sizable chicken tenders in the basket, they were evenly roasted and crispy. It's important to note that when we sent a tester home with this model, she wasn't as pleased with the fries because some of them were entirely soft while others were wonderfully crispy. She also struggled with apple crisps. However, it appears that with enough trial and error you can master how your food is cooked, just it's not as simple as models with pre-programmed options. With the Dash, you must closely monitor your food intake. It lacks a preheat preset and a timer. It was a guessing game when to cook and when it was done. It's also limited in versatility as it can't bake cornbread, roast veggies, or cook chicken breast. The nonstick interior and basket made cleanup a breeze. If you want a tiny air fryer that can make fries and chicken tenders, this is a good alternative. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.